Okay, it's 10 and 12 minutes in the morning of the 1st of March 2023, and here I am at my little conifer tree, 3 days after I've made the last recording. By the way, that one did not show any rain reaction in the conifer electrical profile because, anyway, quite frankly, there was no rain, just snowy, icy precipitation, the same that we're having right now, and that apparently is not enough to make the conifer respond in the same way as it would have responded in the case of a rain shower or a rainstorm. So anyway, I changed the batteries, I checked the connections, everything's fine. The batteries are now set up for 8 more days of operation, means I'll have to change them again on the 9th of March when I'll be back. That's fine as well. What else? Oh yes, 2 days ago there was a big geomagnetic storm event between 27th February, 28th February, reported globally through the geomagnetic data monitoring centers. It was quite a significant thing. So I'd hoped we would see effects of that storm in some of the recordings I'm doing at home on house plants, indoor plants, which I checked this morning, but none of them, there were 2, none of them showed anything that I could sort of immediately attribute to that geomagnetic storm event. So I'm hoping maybe the conifer, since it's an outdoor wild plant, well rooted, and therefore very different from the potted plants, I mean electrically different, electrically not so isolated as the potted plants I have measured, that the conifer will might show an effect, a measurable effect. And it's really a shame that I haven't been running any recording on the ground electrodes that I showed in the last session. Here's one of them at this point, because that would have allowed me to really determine if the geomagnetic storm had any effect on the pure ground electrode as well, which I hope it will. I mean, it will be measurable by my setup. But anyway, that's bad luck. So I'll have to set up the ground electrode, the soil earth electrode recording as soon as possible, and then wait for the next storm, the next geomagnetic storm. Okay, that's it. That was quite a long recording now. I'm switching off and will be back in 8 days from now, or maybe earlier, but probably 8 days from now.